Everybody has mental health. It influences your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Similar to your body health, your mental health can be great on certain days and not so great on others. It's really important to have good mental health for your overall well-being. In this video, we will delve into 5 transformative tips inspired by Buddhist teachings that can significantly improve your mental health. Tip number 1. Take it easy and stay calm to lessen stress. In our fast-moving world, a lot of people feel stressed. The first tip from Buddhist philosophy suggests we should take a break, breathe deeply, and learn to stay calm. Buddhism teaches that life is always changing, and we will face challenges. Knowing this can help us handle stress better. The main idea here is to be mindful and accepting. Mindfulness, a big part of Buddhism, tells us to focus on the present moment. We should watch our thoughts and feelings without being too hard on ourselves. Being mindful can help us stay calm, even when life gets tough. Buddhist meditation techniques, such as mindful breathing or loving-kindness meditation, provide practical tools to navigate stress. Through consistent practice, individuals can train their minds to respond to challenges with equanimity, promoting mental resilience. Life can sometimes feel like a big storm, with lots of things happening all at once. This can make us feel stressed, which is like having a big pile of heavy rocks on our minds. But Buddhism has a cool idea: taking it easy and staying calm, like a gentle breeze that helps the storm pass. Imagine if you could step back from the chaos and take a deep breath. That's what Buddhism suggests, to not let stress take over, but to look at it calmly. It's like knowing that storms don't last forever, and the sun will come out again. Buddhism talks a lot about something called mindfulness. It's like having a superpower that lets you focus on what's happening right now. Instead of worrying about the past or the future, it's about being right here, in this moment. This helps us not get too overwhelmed by all the things happening around us. Now let's delve into the practice of meditation. It's not as complicated as it sounds. It's like giving your mind a little break, a chance to rest. Imagine your mind is like a busy playground, and meditation is like a quiet spot where you can sit and watch without playing. This quiet time helps in staying calm, even when everything seems crazy. So the first tip from Buddhism is to take it easy, like a gentle breeze, and stay calm in the middle of life's storms. By practicing mindfulness and taking moments to meditate, you can lighten the load of stress on your mind and let the sun peek through the clouds. Tip number 2. Discover fun ways to learn new things and let your creativity flow. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and creativity as a means to expand the mind and foster joy. The second tip encourages individuals to explore the world with curiosity and embrace the joy of discovery. In Buddhist philosophy, the concept of beginner's mind encourages us to approach life with openness and eagerness, much like a beginner encountering a subject for the first time. This mindset not only facilitates learning, but also keeps the mind fresh and vibrant. Creativity, seen as an expression of the human spirit, is celebrated in Buddhism. Engaging in creative activities, whether it be art, music, or writing, allows individuals to tap into their inner reservoir of inspiration. This creative flow becomes a source of joy and fulfillment, countering the monotony that can contribute to mental health issues. By integrating the joy of learning and creativity into our lives, we can cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth, thereby fostering mental well-being. Think about life as a huge playground with lots of cool things to find. Buddhism suggests, hey, let's enjoy exploring and learning new things. It's like being an adventurer, always curious and excited about what's coming next. So, the second tip from Buddhism is about discovering fun ways to learn new things. Learning doesn't have to be boring or like going to school. It's about finding what makes you go, wow, that's cool. It could be drawing, playing an instrument, or even learning about bugs or stars. Whatever makes your eyes light up. Buddhism talks about having a beginner's mind. That's like being the superhero explorer, always ready for a new adventure. It means not thinking, "Oh, I already know this," but saying, "Let's see what's cool about this today." Let's discuss the concept of creativity. It can be likened to possessing a magical ability to create things. Whether you enjoy drawing or constructing with blocks, that's your creativity at work. It's akin to hosting a lively dance party in your mind, where ideas emerge, and you have the opportunity to engage with them. Creativity is like a treasure hunt, and your imagination is the map. Buddhism encourages us to let our creativity flow. It's not about being the best artist or musician. It's about having fun and expressing yourself. So, go ahead, grab your creativity cape, and let the adventure begin. By exploring and being curious, you're not just learning. You're also making your mind happy. It's like adding colorful balloons to your mental playground. So, the second tip from Buddhism is all about having fun, learning new things, and letting your creativity flow like a joyful river. Tip number 3. Talk and make friends with people around you. Human connection lies at the heart of Buddhism's teachings on compassion and interdependence. The third tip encourages individuals to cultivate meaningful relationships and connect with those around them. In Buddhism, the concept of Sangha, or spiritual community, is highly valued. The support and understanding found in community play a crucial role in nurturing mental well-being. Engaging in open and honest communication allows individuals to share their joys and sorrows, fostering a sense of belonging. Practicing compassion towards oneself and others is a fundamental aspect of Buddhist teachings. By extending kindness and understanding to those around us, we create a positive and supportive social environment. This not only enhances our mental health, but also contributes to the well-being of the community as a whole. In a world where digital communication often replaces face-to-face interaction, Buddhism reminds us of the profound impact genuine human connection can have on our mental health. By prioritizing authentic relationships, we lay the foundation for a resilient and emotionally fulfilling life. Let's discuss the concept of friends, the people who make the playground of life even more awesome. Buddhism says, don't be shy. Go ahead, talk, and make friends. Making friends is like finding buddies to play with. They can be like superheroes who help you when things get tough. Buddhism teaches us that having good friends is super important for a happy and healthy mind. Imagine your friends are like a team of superheroes. They understand you, support you, and make you feel like you belong. Talking to them is like sharing your favorite snacks. It feels good and makes everything better. Buddhism also has this cool idea called Sangha, which means a group of friends who share good vibes. It's like having a squad that cheers you on and understands you without even saying much. Being part of a positive group is like having a secret power that makes your mind strong. Buddhism says, be kind to yourself and others. It's like sharing your toys and helping your friends when they need it. When you're kind, it's like spreading happy vibes, and it makes your mind feel warm and fuzzy. So, the third tip from Buddhism is to talk and make friends with the awesome people around you. It's like building a team of superheroes who have your back. Being kind and having good friends makes your mental playground the coolest place to be. Tip number 4. Pay attention to what's happening right now. The fourth tip draws inspiration from the Buddhist principle of mindfulness, the art of being fully present in the current moment. In a world characterized by constant distractions and the relentless pursuit of future goals, Buddhism teaches us to anchor ourselves in the now. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. This is the essence of Buddhist wisdom. By excessively dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about an unpredictable future, we rob ourselves of the richness of the present moment. Mindfulness encourages us to break free from the shackles of time and savor the beauty of the here and now. The practice of mindfulness involves cultivating awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and sensations without attachment or aversion. By observing the stream of consciousness without judgment, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of their inner workings. This self-awareness is a powerful tool for managing stress, anxiety, and other mental health challenges. Buddhist meditation practices, such as Vipassana or Zen meditation, provide practical techniques to enhance mindfulness. Through consistent practice, individuals can train their minds to reside in the present, unlocking a profound sense of peace and contentment. Imagine your mind is like a superhero headquarters, and it's time to focus on the action-packed present. Buddhism says, hey, be a superhero of the now. So the fourth tip is about paying attention to what's happening right now. It's like having a special power that helps you enjoy the moment, like savoring your favorite ice cream. Buddhism teaches us that the past is like yesterday's news, and the future is like a surprise gift. But the real party is happening right now. Mindfulness is a bit like being a detective of your thoughts and feelings. Instead of worrying about what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow, it's about being right here, right now. It's like being the captain of your superhero team and saying, "Team, let's focus on this moment." Buddhist superheroes use something called meditation to practice mindfulness. It's not as tricky as it sounds. It's like taking a quiet break for your mind. Imagine your mind is a superhero in training, and meditation is the peaceful gym where it gets stronger. By paying attention to the present, you become a master of your thoughts. It's like having a remote control for your mind. You decide what channel to tune into. When you're mindful, it's easier to handle challenges and enjoy the good stuff happening right now. So the fourth tip from Buddhism is about being the superhero of the present. It's like having a spotlight on the exciting show of your life. Mindfulness and meditation are your superhero tools, helping you stay focused on the awesome action of this very moment. Tip number 5. Work on making your sleep better and more restful. In a world that often values productivity over rest, the fifth tip from Buddhism underscores the importance of sleep for mental well-being. Quality sleep is considered essential for maintaining a healthy mind and body, and Buddhist teachings offer insights into optimizing our sleep patterns. Buddhism recognizes the intimate connection between the mind and body. A well-rested body provides a conducive environment for mental clarity and emotional balance. The practice of mindfulness extends to our sleep habits, encouraging us to approach bedtime with a calm and relaxed mind. Creating a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation is a key aspect of Buddhist wisdom. This may include gentle stretching, deep breathing exercises, or a short meditation to calm the mind. By disengaging from the demands of the day and creating a peaceful transition to sleep, individuals can enhance the quality of their rest. Additionally, Buddhism encourages moderation in all aspects of life, including sleep. Avoiding extremes, such as excessive sleep or sleep deprivation, contributes to a balanced and harmonious mental state. By prioritizing rest and rejuvenation, individuals can approach each day with greater vitality and resilience. Imagine your body is like a cozy castle, and sleep is the magical time when your castle gets all refreshed and ready for a new day. Buddhism says, hey, let's make sure our castles get the best sleep ever. So the fifth tip is about making your sleep better and more restful. It's like giving your body and mind a comfy bed to rest in. Buddhism knows that when your castle gets a good night's sleep, you wake up feeling like a superhero ready for adventures. Buddhism suggests creating a calm routine before sleep, like having a mini party for your sleepy self. It could be reading a book, doing gentle stretches, or having a quiet chat with your thoughts. This helps your mind go, time for a good night's sleep. The fifth tip says, be a sleep superhero, but don't overdo it. Too much sleep or too little can make your castle feel a bit wonky. So find the sweet spot for your sleep and let your body and mind recharge. Imagine your sleep is like a superhero's secret lair, a place where all the superhero powers get recharged. Buddhism says, respect your sleep, and it will make you feel like a superhero every day. So the fifth tip from Buddhism is about being a sleep superhero. Create a cozy castle bedtime routine. Find the perfect sleep amount, and let your body and mind dance in the magic of a good night's sleep. Sweet dreams, little superhero. In the journey towards improved mental health, the teachings of Buddhism serve as a timeless guide. offering practical wisdom for navigating the complexities of the mind. By embracing the principles of mindfulness, compassion, and continuous learning, individuals can cultivate a resilient and joyous mental landscape. As we integrate these 5 tips into our lives, we embark on a transformative journey towards holistic well-being. The wisdom of Buddhism reminds us that the path to a healthy mind is not a destination, but a continuous exploration, where each step brings us closer to the profound joy that arises from a mind at peace.